సో వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ని ఎలా సింపుల్గా చేయాలో తెలుసుకున్నాం. 25 ఇంటూ 3. సో నార్మల్ మెథడ్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే జనరల్గా 25 ఇంటూ 3, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7, 75. ఇది నార్మల్ మెథడ్లో చేస్తాం. అదే వేదిక్ మెథడ్లో అయితే జస్ట్ సింగిల్ లైన్లోనే ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 5 here. Take first 5 here. 1 should be carried. 6 plus 1 7, 75. One more question. 9 4 5 3 into 9. 9 9s are 9 into 9, 81. 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 3, 27. First 9 into 9, 81. 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 3, 27. Now we will write the final answer. Take that 7 down. 2 will be carried. 5 plus 2, 7. 45 plus 2, 47. 7 here, 4 carry. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 means 0. Again 4 carry. 81 plus 4, 85. We will take one more question. Seven into 6, 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 6, 36. First, we take 6, 1's place value. After that, 3 will be carried forward. 0 plus 3, again 3. Here nothing is, we are forwarding. So next take 4. Next 2 will be carried. 42 plus 2, 44. The answer is 44,436. Next one more question. 4 6 3 7 1 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 6s are 42. 7 3s are 21. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. 7. 0 will be carried forward. 49 plus 0. Again 49. 9 here. 4 carry. 21 plus 4. 25. 2 carry. 42 plus 4. 44. 4 carry. Next 28 plus 4. 32. So the answer is 3,24,597. 34670 into 8. First 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 into 0, 0. First you take 0. If you keep double 0 also no issue. We will write this 0. This 0 will be carry forward. So 56 plus 0 again. 56, 5 carry forward. 48 plus 5. How much? 53. 5 carry forward. 53 here. 5 is carry forward. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 carry forward. 24 plus 3 is 27. Next we will see table. Multiplication table. We know tables up to 20. We know tables up to 20. ఒకవేళ డివిజన్స్ లో మనం ఎక్కువగా టేబుల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. పెద్ద పెద్ద నెంబర్స్ తో డివైడ్ చేయాల్సినప్పుడు ఆ టేబుల్ అనేది మనకు తెలియాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఆ టేబుల్ తెలియాలంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం జనరల్ గా ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని ఒక్కొక్క దాంతో ఇంటూ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. 38 into 1, 38 into 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అలా ఆ విధంగా మనం 38 టేబుల్ రాసుకుంటాం. అదేవిధంగా ఒక 525 టేబుల్ కావాలనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? సేమ్ ఇలా ఇంటూ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఇంటూ చేసుకొని ఆ టేబుల్ అనేది మనం రాసుకుంటాం. అలా కాకుండా మీకు ఒక ఈజీ మెథడ్ చెప్తాను. ఆ మెథడ్లో మీరు ఏ టేబుల్ అయినా చాలా చాలా సింపుల్గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనము ఒక 12 టేబుల్ రాయాలనుకోండి. టేబుల్ ఆఫ్ 12 ఎగ్జాంపుల్. If you know one table, if you know two table, with the help of one table and with the help of two table, we are going to write 12 table. Okay, see how. First one table, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Next, write two table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now you see, first take this 2 here. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 1, again 1. First answer is 12. 4 here. 0 carry forward. 0 plus 2, again 2. 24. 6 here. 0 carry forward. 0 plus 3, again 3. 8 here. 0 plus 4, 4. First 0 here. 1 is carry forward. 5 plus 1, 6. 60. 2 here. 1 plus 6, 7. 4 here. 1 plus 7, 8. 6 here. 1 plus 8, 9. 8 here. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 2 carry forward. 10 plus 2, 12. 120. This is a table of 12. You see, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. So we know one table and two table, we can able to write 12 table. Just you see, once again I will explain. First you write one table up to 10. Next you write two table up to 10. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. We written one table, we written two table. Now we will write 12 table with the help of these two. ఫస్ట్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది 2 ఉంది. ఆ 2 అలాగే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఇక టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ 0ని క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాం. క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ కి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 0 ప్లస్ 1 is nothing but 1. 4 as it is. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 2 again 2. 6 as it is. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 3 again 3. 8 as it is. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 4 again 4. 0 here. 1's place lo 0 undi kabatti 0 as it is. 1 is carry forward. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 will become 6. 5 plus 1 will become 6. 60. 2 as it is. 1 plus 6 become 7. 1 plus 6 become 7. 72. 4 as it is. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 is carry forward now. 1 plus 7 is 8. 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 is carry forward to the next digit. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 is here. 1 is carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 2 is carry forward. 10 plus 2 is 12. 120. So this is the way we can able to write any multiplication table of our choice. If you want to write the table of 38 table, we need 38 table. First, which table we have to write? 3 table and 8 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. We completed 3 table. Now we will write 8 table. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 8. So first you have to know tables up to 9. 1 to 9 tables if you know. We can write any table of our choice. We can write 999 table, 9999 table also we can write with the help of this technique. So now see here. First we will write 8 as it is. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 3 become 3. Next 6 here. 1 is carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 as it is. 1's place digit we will write directly here. After that 10's place digit we will carry forward. 9 plus 2 it's 11. 2 as it is. 3 plus 2 15. 3 is carry forward here. 3 plus 12 15. 0 as it is. 4 plus 5 19. 8 as it is. 18 plus 4 22. 228. 6 as it is. 5 plus 1 it is 6, 26. 6 plus 24, it becomes 30. 2, 7 is going this side. 27 plus 7, 34. 0, 30 plus 8, 38. This is a table of 38. This is a table of 38. So if you know 3 table, if you know 8 table, with the help of these two, we can able to write 38 table. 38 table is very simple. For example, if you want to write a 3-digit table, 185 table if you want, 185. 185. First, we write one table. One table is completed. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. Next, you write 8 table. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. Okay, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. After that, write 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, one table we written, 8 table we written, and also we written 5 table. With the help of these three, we will write 185 table. See here, first ones place low digit 5 as it is. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 8, again it is 8. 0 will be carry forward. 0 plus 1, again 1, 185. Next here 0 as it is. 1 will be carry forward. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 means 7 here. 1 will be carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3. Write 5 here. 1 will be carry forward. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 means 5 here. 2 will be carry forward. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 0. 2 will be carry forward. 32 plus 2, 34. 3 will be carry forward. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. Next, 5 is as it is. 2 will be carry forward. 40 plus 2, 42. 4 will be carry forward here. 9 plus 4, sorry, 5 plus 4 is 9. 0. 3 is carry forward. 48 plus 3, 51. Again 5 carry forward. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 as it is. 3 is carry forward here. 56 plus 3, 59. 5 is carry forward here. 7 plus 5, 12. 0 as it is. 4 is carry forward. 64 plus 4, 68. 6 again carry forward. 8 plus 6 is 14. 5 here. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 carry forward. 9 plus 7 is 16. 0. 5 carry forward. 80 plus 5, 85. Again 8 carry forward. 10 plus 8, 18. So this is the way we can able to write 185 table. If you know 1 table, 8 table and 5 table, with the help of these 3 tables, we are going to write a 185 table. So now homework for you. Try these questions as a homework. So try the table of 59, table of 76, 97, 246. Try these questions in the similar manner. And 359, 473. Try to do these tables in this method.